Hello everyone, my name is Chinmay and in this video I will walk through on how to join a live jam event as a participant. To join the event, we have to go to jam.awsevents.com. After the registration, like we saw in the previous video, we can go to join a jam screen and enter the secret key that we received from the facilitator to join the jam. Once you click submit, if you have not done your skill assessment, you will be taken to this page to have your AWS service self-assessment done. You just have to add your skill level and click on submit. Once you do that, the next step is to join a team or create a team. You will see two options like you can see on the screen. It's either match me to the team, which will match you to another team based on your skill level, or you can create or join an existing team. For this video, I will go with the second option. Here, I can either join an existing team by adding the name and password, or I can go ahead and create a new team. I will create a new team. So I have added the name as test team and the password and click on create a new team. After I click create, the team will be created and I will be taken to the challenges page. Here on the world map, you will see multiple challenges. These challenges can be identified by their icons, which are a circle and a server icon inside it, along with a small price tag. The colors signify the difficulty level, green being easy, yellow being medium, and red being hard. I see that we don't have any hard challenges for this jam event. Some people may see the icon as a thumbs up. That's okay because that just means that your team members have completed the challenge before you. You can, however, go to the challenge and restart the completed challenge anytime. Always remember, you attempt each of these challenges as a team. You will access the same AWS account to fix the problem as a team. So that means your team members and you can log in together in the same AWS account and perform the task. So ultimately you earn points as a team, and if you decide to use a clue to get some help, the maximum score your team can earn for that challenge is reduced. Now when you click on a challenge, as you can see on the screen, I will get the information about the challenge, the difficulty level, the number of points that I have, and a button to open the challenge. I'll click on that button. Once I am in the challenge, I can see different tasks. Also, I can see the button to start the challenge. I can go ahead and start the challenge. Once I can start the challenge, I can either access through CLI, I can access through the management console. Also, you will get the information about the challenge and the clues here. As stated earlier, if you access the clue by unlocking the clue, you have a penalty of certain number of points. This penalty will reduce the maximum points that you can get as a team. Now, on the top menu, you can go to the team section. On this page, you will be able to access the details related to the team. You will see the number of challenges completed, the score points, what maximum score you can obtain, how many clues are used, among other things. You can also start a team meeting with your team members. In this video, we have seen how to join a jam, how to create or join a team, and how the challenges and clues work. See you folks in the next video. Thank you.